November was the 1-year anniversary of publishing my first book, Blood of the Lily, in the Clash of Goddesses series. Hello writers in training, I'm Shannon, writing under the pen name S.D. Houston, and the author of the Clash of Goddesses series. And welcome to my channel where I show writers like you how to develop your writing skills and self-publish your work. I knew I wanted to publish an electronic box set of this series in the month of my first book on its 1-year anniversary. And I accomplished that. I knew I also wanted to do it with as little cost as possible, and I did that too. You can watch this video here to see my actual costs. Overall, I'm happy with how November turned out. I had really great sales, better than I've had in most months, and I thought I wasn't spending any advertising dollars except for the monthly cost for Story Origin and my Amazon ads. But then I forgot I had taken advantage of a 25% off coupon from the Fussy Librarian sent to me early in October. It normally costs $50 for a one-day promotion on a free book in the category of fantasy, but with the coupon I only paid $37.50. I had set up the one-day promotion for Cyber Monday, November 28th, and made Blood of the Lily free for that one day. So I did spend some marketing money, but my great sales started right from the beginning of the month before I even advertised. And I think this could have been from the promotions that I ran back in October. However, it may also be due to a cross promotion in Story Origin. For that cross promotion, the organizer requested that we put our books at 99 cents. So I had already done that with Blood of the Lily, except for that one day where it was free. The box set for my Clash of Goddesses trilogy also launched this month on November 26th. For 3 days, it was set at $1.99, and then I raised it to its full price of $9.99. Okay, so what were my sales like? Let's look at my numbers using the KDP reports. On the one free ebook day for Blood of the Lily, I had 276 downloads, but no money made. At the sale price of 99 cents for the rest of the month, I sold 11 ebooks for total sales in the amount of $3.79. I also had one paperback sale for $6.30 and 346 KENP for earnings of $1.56. All earnings together come to $11.65. Let's add all of these numbers to previous figures from last month. The total number of books sold is now 169, and total KNP is 7,377 for total earnings of $312.78. Adding Story Origins costs of $8.33, Amazon ads in the amount of $7.72, and the promotion with the Fussy Librarian for $37.50, I have new marketing costs of $1,660.67. My new and current deficit for Blood of the Lily is $2,079.99. This is a new deficit increase of $36.90, expected with adding the new costs of marketing. Next is Soul of a Rose. I had 3 ebook sales for earnings of $10.38, one paperback sale for $5.04, and 1,063 KENP for earnings of $4.78. All earnings together come to $20.20. Let's add all these numbers to previous figures. The total number of books increased to 294 with 8,233 KENP for total earnings of $242.29. My new and current deficit for Soul of a Rose is $1,164.45. Next is Tears of the Marigold. I had 3 ebook sales coming in at $10.26, one paperback sale at $4.88, and 1,252 KENP for earnings of $5.63. All earnings together come to $20.77. The total number of books sold is now 210, and total KENP is 5,137, for total earnings of $150.46. My new deficit for Tears of the Marigold is $1,011.16. Last is my new box set, Clash of Goddesses: The Complete Series. This only comes in an electronic format, although I also have it in the KU program, so I can sell ebooks and receive monies from pages read. In total, it had 16 ebook sales for $11.15 and 47 KENP for 22 cents, giving me total earnings in its first month for $11.37. The production costs come in at $59.50. With no marketing costs so far, this gives me a deficit of $48.13. Let's take a look at the combined numbers. Combining all books numbers to include the 3 books in the trilogy and the box set, I have sold 689 books with 20,794 KENP for total earnings of $716.85. Adding the box set's production cost gives me a new total of $3,222.63. Marketing costs increased to $1,798, which makes for a new grand deficit of $4,303.78. Overall, my deficit has increased by $44.01. As of figuring up these numbers, it's the 5th of December. Like last month, my heart wants to freak out because I've had no sales and only one page read so far. But all I have to do is look at this large deficit as I close out my first full official year as a published author and see that huge deficit of over $4,000. And I'm just sitting back. No more promotions for me. Not for December. Spoiler alert, I broke. I did sign up for one paid promotion, although it didn't cost me very much. Besides, as I learned last year, all the promotion companies spike up their prices for these end of the year months. I'll worry about more book promos next year. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and happy writing.